Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cabcharge digital pass. This modern payment solution simplifies taxi travel. Once your organization sends you a pass via SMS or email, simply click the secure link to activate it. This quick setup ensures you are ready to go for your next ride, making payments seamless and efficient. When you're ready to pay, simply show your activated digital pass to your taxi driver. They will then input the fare into their Cabcharge terminal. You'll receive a prompt on your phone to confirm the transaction. After your quick confirmation, an instant receipt will be sent directly to you, making the payment process smooth and transparent. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, just like the digital pass saves you time, these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers can simplify your busy week. Check the description for the link and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video. You can easily manage your pass by clicking the original link to view your remaining balance and transaction history. Should any issues arise, don't hesitate to contact your organization or Cabcharge support for help. Remember, your digital pass is secure, so always treat it like cash and keep your mobile device safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.